like back in India, I have about like 3.5 year experience as a software engineer. And after coming here, like I did my PG Diploma in artificial intelligence and data science. So like, should I go with the past India experience as a software engineer, or otherwise, like, should I go with artificial intelligence and data science roles, like
Which developer are you in the and back home?
Python developer?
Okay, there are two pathways. One pathway is you can still concentrate here on going for Python backend developer kind of a roles. There are so many. The other pathway is you can target either data science or ML or AI. Currently, they are hiring only experienced people for AI and ML. Data science
Yeah.
budget allocation has drastically reduced, but the level of experience they're looking for is 5 years. My advice would be continue to stick to Python backend developer only. You'll get good number of opportunities, and
Okay.
then as a Python developer, you can slowly upskill and go into data science side or ML side or AI side.